everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. I am busy knitting the second sleeve. I have all the little pieces here ready to put the neck on and sew it up and then put the bands on. But I have been trying to tidy up a little bit more in my room, and as you can see I've got my picture behind me. That was a picture that I always have to look up Angela's name on YouTube because it's such a long one. She is Haunting Going On with Angela, My Life's Journey. That's what she calls herself on YouTube. And she sent me this picture quite some time ago, but I've actually really never got around to putting it up until I got this. I wanted to get this room sorted out first. And you know, I've been sitting here and I've been putting my hands behind me because it wasn't quite straight at first. Try to looking on the video and thinking, I think that's straight. But I had to push I have my laptop on a one of those tables with wheels, and I've had to push it out of the way because you couldn't see it from my head. If I brought it forward, that's not too bad. You can still see, but you couldn't see the whole thing. The part was cut off, so I pushed it to the table back so you could see it better. But I am using this is my older computer. This is about 5 or 6 years old, I think, this computer. And it is a much better camera. It's not quite as high definition as the newest computer, which I've only had since January. And I was using it, I've used it a few times the last few days because I tried it one day and it seemed okay because it keeps going light and dark and light and dark. And it seemed okay one day, and I thought there must have been some update in it. But since I've brought that was downstairs and I've come up into my workroom now, and it was back the way it was before. Just to show you the difference, I have that laptop set up just across. You can't see it, it's on a table over there. I'm going to switch to that computer and put the two pieces together in one video so you can see the difference between this camera on my Dell and the camera on the HP, which is a higher definition. But my words, it is absolute crap. So I'll stop this and then I'll go on to add the other little bit video on from the other one. You'll see me sitting sideways because I put it on the table and it's looking across at the window. But it has, the light has started disappearing from the window, but you can see from the light on this video going to the light on that one, it is terrible. This is my other laptop, and you can see how much darker it is and whether it's got anything to do with it. But I just moved my hand there and the pictures just changed altogether. That's what happens. The least movement and it goes either very bright or very dark. I just do not like it. But I can't turn that camera around and show you a little bit more. It may be different. That's my wool wall over there. And I still need to sort out all the stuff that's underneath there. I have a lot of wool piled up on the shelf. A lot of it's a lot for myself. I'm going to take a lot of those down and put them into bags and put them into the cupboard so I can find somewhere to put what I have on the floor and that up there as well. A little bit tidier. So as you can see, I'm turning it right round and just to see if it's the different light in the place. That's a look on that camera. Sometimes it looks okay, but most of the time it doesn't. And it has turned very bright since I've got up and down. It was quite dark before. So that was a little bit to show you the difference between one computer and another, the camera on two computers. I will use this one, I'll turn this one around like I did with that one so you can see everything. The difference in this computer and that one. That's going around, that's where my other computer is, over there. As you can see, it's still going on. Turn it right round and it does get darker when you get beside the window until you get past the window. And then back where I started. And as you can see, it's a much better picture on this computer, even though this computer, this one, I think about, I'm not sure it's 5 or 6 years old, it's probably near 6 years old. It did cost me about £500 at the time. So it is probably the equivalent to my other one over there, cost me about £700. So about five or 6 years ago, it's probably about the equivalent. But it's always been a much better computer, a much better camera on it. And so anyway, enough of that. I am knitting. That's how much I've got done of the sleeve. I've got the back, one front, two fronts. That's the back and two fronts, and I have done one of the sleeves on here. This is a 16-inch, this one. This one will fit a newborn to about 3 months old. And you know, this wool, I have already knitted. I knitted a smaller one in the same wool, which was worked out about a 14-inch. This one's a 16-inch. And I have just had to break into another ball. So I've got almost 2 cardigans out of one ball. This wool seems to go a long way. It only has 300 meters in the according to the label, but it does go a long way. And I think I want a little drink as well while I'm talking, because I get a little bit dry when I'm sitting here, and I've lost my needle on the floor. So that's how much I've done of the second sleeve. So I'll probably get that finished today, and then I can put the neck on and the band on and sew it all up. But when I finish that one, I will be on with this one. That's the back I have done, and that's as much as one of the sleeves. This is the one that's going to have a little opening on the front. When I come to do the front, just the front part, I will do a little tutorial just from the armholes and show how to put the little thing on the front. But I will be doing more of these, and I will do a tutorial for the whole thing. It could be a different pattern, it depends, but I would probably stick with this pattern at the moment because I have done more than one in this particular pattern to get the to actually make a pattern. But I am going to do more, use my couple of hours in the morning to still do crochet things, you know, bags and pouches and things like that. Like what I was doing before, a couple of hours crochet in the morning and then things like this in the afternoon. And then I might even get around to doing some of my own later on. But I'm going to do what I can of this. It is, my clock over there, I can't see properly for this, so 11:15 now, so I will have to go out and do a little bit shopping because I do need one or two things, so I'm not going to be sitting knitting all afternoon. So that was just a little bit today just to show you the difference from one camera on one computer to the camera on another computer. Oh, and another thing, I am going to start a crochet channel. I'm going to show crochet from the basics, the very beginning, from making a chain to the different stitches and that. Just for anyone who can't crochet what seems to be the normal way on what I've seen on YouTube is just to crochet my way. That's a lot of people do crochet my way actually, but that's what I'm going to do. So I will be starting to do little tutorials for things to do with crochet. I don't think there's as many people as interested in my crochet as it is my knitting, but there are probably a lot of other people out there that might be. So thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time. So bye for now.